Variables allow us to incorporate other data in our shell script to process information. We can use environment variables and user variables. We access these variables with variable name preceded by a $sign. Set command provides the list of all available environment variables. Let's use environment variables in our script. These are example scripts I'll be using throughout the video. Bat command is modern alternative of cat command to view files. This is our script file. This is shebang. We are trying to access UID environment variable. Let's try to run this script. We successfully captured the value of UID environment variable. We can define our own variable and use it in the script. Those variables are called user variables. This is our script file, shebang, variable name, assignment operator, and value. Similarly, variable name, assignment operator, and value. Using $, we are accessing name variable. Similarly, we are accessing age variable using $sign. Let's try to run this script. We successfully accessed user variables. Let's look into some considerations to use variables. We have to assign variable like this. This is illegal. We cannot have space like this. When we are using same variable name again, new value overrides the old value. Variable name is case sensitive. These two variables are different. Shell automatically determines the data type. This is identified as a string, whereas this is identified as integer. When the string has white space, we must quote the string like this. Variable name can contain letters, numbers, and underscore. This is valid variable name, whereas this is invalid variable name. Length of variables should be less than 20 characters. This is valid length, whereas this is invalid length. This may not throw error, but it does not work. Let's try to run the script. The output of this line is pretty unexpected. Since $sign is a special character, we had unexpected output. To write $sign itself, we must use backslash. Check out the description for supplementary content. If you have any query, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.